Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. I work with people that are looking to increase their income, their profits or their net worth, and I'm reaching out to you today to just say, look, you're on a list of subscribers. You've given me your email address previously for whatever reason, perhaps to find out more about me or how I might be able to help you to increase your income or your profits or your net worth. And just want to encourage you to take action today and say, yeah, no, today's the day I want to start to do that. If you reach out to me at peterbolton.com, I'll put my website address on the bottom of this video so you've got it to hand. And let's book a time when we can have a telephone conversation or perhaps a Zoom call on what I call a free one-to-one. Yes, a free one-to-one. It'll cost you nothing to talk to me, and we can talk through the various options of how I can help people and I can help you to increase your income, your profits or your net worth, depending on your own situation, and really find out whether there's a profitable and positive way forward for us. And I think at the end of that conversation, you can either sort of say to me, yes, Peter, I would like your help, or no, I wouldn't. And at the same time, I might be able to answer that question, whether I think that I can help you or not. You know, particularly in the trading foreign currencies market, I've been doing that now, and in the last 14 weeks, I've produced a profit in 13 out of 14 weeks, which again is completely showing and demonstrating to me that this is a medium to long-term investment of a way of increasing my net worth by putting some of my capital into a vehicle which runs a bit of risk, but at the same time helps me to see how I can increase my income and my net worth, assuming that I'm prepared to take a little bit of risk to do that. The training and the support behind this company opportunity is just amazing. So if you feel that you'd like to perhaps have a look at that and explore it further, for free to start off with, find out whether trading foreign currencies using our AI software is one of the ways that you'd like to be able to produce an income, then we can talk further specifically on that point, or we can talk about the other things that I'm involved with, which are all designed to help people like you to increase your income, your profits or your net worth. So I say reach out to me today at peterbolton.com. I'll put my website address at the bottom of this video. Let's see if we can book that free one-to-one and find out, number one, whether you'd like my help, and number two, whether I think that I can help you. I look forward to hearing from you.